Changamwe. It's back to you in studio.
Thank you for that, Tobias Chanji. Now, Kenyans are this morning relieved after President Uhuru Kenyatta met with maize millers and directed all retailers to lower the prices of unga from 205 shillings to 100 shillings for a 2 kg packet. The directive was arrived at after hours of negotiations with maize millers with an agreement that Kenyans need to be cushioned from the high maize flour prices. President Kenyatta said the government will release a subsidy of 105 shillings per 2 kg of maize flour to maize millers and 118 billion shillings as fuel subsidy to ensure that the rise cost of living was tamed. And as Chris Thrive reports, the president did not spare politicians inciting the public due to the high cost of living.
In a bid to lower the prices of maize flour and cushion Kenyans from the high cost of living, finally, there was some white smoke.
Maize flour shall retail across the entire territory of the Republic of Kenya at the price of Kenya shillings 100, down from Kenya shillings 205 for a 2 kg packet until otherwise directed. This program of a subsidy of approximately 105 shillings per 2 kg pack of maize meal is meant to lower the cost of living for vulnerable households as we look for a sustainable solution.
The president noted that there has been a trend where prices of unga goes up a few months to the elections. He said that to keep the cost of living in check, the government will continue releasing fuel and maize flour subsidies.
The Railway Development Levy on all imported maize shall stand suspended. Number 2, the Import Declaration Fee, IDF, on all imported maize is also hereby suspended. We have, over the last year, granted and maintained a fuel subsidy amounting to over 118 billion Kenya shillings.
Na tukakaa pamoja kwa siku zote hizi na tukakubaliana sote. Millers wote wako hapa. Kenya hii ina millers karibu 150 mpaka 200 ambao kwamba wanafanya kazi ya kusagisha. Lakini vyama vao viko hapa ambao kwamba wamekuwa represented na kukubaliana kwamba tufanye jambo hili pamoja.
The president also challenged maize traders to exercise caution and not to exploit consumers. The president also slammed politicians who are politicizing the unga issue.
Kenya hii tukitaka kwenda mbele, njia ni mbili. Moja, umepatiwa nafasi ya kuhudumu, lakini badala ya kuhudumu kazi yako ni kulalamika. Mimi nashukuru wenzetu kwa sababu wamesema hawatalalamika, watakaa pamoja nasi watusaidie kutafuta suluhu.
Na kama bwana rais alivyosema, serikali hii haijatulia mpaka leo. Ukiangalia vitu vyote rais alivyovisema ni vitu ambavyo kwamba amevifanya kwa sababu roho yake yenyewe inawapenda nyinyi wa Kenya.
However, the government did not come out clear on what will happen to the current stock that had been purchased using high prices. Chris Dairu, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, the independent